friends, today I will take you for shopping for the Halloween festival. We are very much excited. Me and my son are going for the shopping. But before that, I thought let me tell you something about the Halloween. So, friends, this festival is celebrated every year on 31st October in many parts of the world, and in America, it is celebrated with great enthusiasm by all age groups, like from the toddler, children, adults, senior citizens. So everybody actively participate in this festival, and everybody enjoys it a lot. And even in schools, colleges, and offices also, it is celebrated. So there are many events. Some are paid events, some are free events for this festival. So I will take you some events also in my other videos. So I thought that this is a big festival. So I will be making many videos on this. So you can see the videos like today's video is for shopping. So it will be like Halloween celebration shopping. The other video will be Halloween celebration, some other things. So there will be many videos on this. So friends, let's start shopping. I will take you to the shops and let's start shopping. Mom, can you show what all things you shopped for Halloween?
Yes, sure. It depends.
What is this?
It's a stake and it's a necklace. You bend it and the light glows in night. Especially for Halloween. Different colors. The full plate with glitter on it. Boo! Driving car with a tail. This is a projector. And you put batteries. This is something we put in our plants.
This is scary.
Yeah, we will guard plants. In between two plants. 3 spider net.
Spider web.
Yeah. Whoa! Legs. Cover. Door cover. With size on it.
Can you show this one? Yes, it is scary.
Yeah, and funny also.
So friends, you must have seen the pumpkins, costumes, chocolates, glasses and paper plates themed, Halloween themed, and skeletons, skulls, and a lot of other decoration materials. So those who don't know anything about the Halloween must be thinking what all these are used for, what is pumpkin used for, what all the decorations used for, how we are going to use the decoration. So for those who don't know, you can watch my other videos. In all the videos will reveal some other things, and you will know how we are going to celebrate Halloween, and how we are going to have lot of fun. And those who are in America know about Halloween. So for them I would like to tell that right now the shops are flooded with lot of materials, but they are going very fast. Like this time we went in the month of September, so we could get many things. But last year we went in the month of October, so we could not find many things. So if you are planning to celebrate, then go and grab the things to celebrate, and they are not expensive also, and you can have a lot of fun with your family, especially the children's are going to enjoy it a lot. So friends, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share, and do keep watching my other videos also. Thank you.